Hi, boys and girls. This video is for anyone in Mrs. Wing's class who wasn't able to attend the Zoom session this morning. I'm going to go through the directions for the journal pages, and you can do them and then send them to school on Wednesday or Friday of this week so that Mrs. Boyens and Mrs. Wing can see them, okay? All right, so you have two pieces of printing paper that are smaller than Mrs. Becker's. And let me find an example of one here. Okay, you have a piece of paper, two pieces of paper like this. Now, yours is blank. We're going to be doing this on your page. Okay, but I'm going to use a bigger piece of paper so you can kind of see what's going on. So you have 3 holes that are punched in your page, and we have to divide the page so we have 4 windows. So you can just take a crayon and you go to the middle of your page and draw a line down, okay? And I'll do that with mine too, and you'll see how it looks. It's kind of strange to do mine because mine is such a big piece of paper. So go in the middle and draw a big line down. I have to kind of move my paper. And you can use whatever color crayon you want. And it doesn't have to be a perfect line. We're just doing the best we can. All right, so I have a big line down the middle of my paper that way. And then I want to look at this side and then make a line in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to do that too. And then I'll have 4 what we call windows. Do you see my windows there? All right, we're going to deal with these first. And as we go through our journal pages, we're going to cover our letter, our number, our colors, and we'll even talk about the shapes of the week. Okay? So the first thing we want to do is look at the letter of the week. And let's see if you know what letter this is. That is an M, and it's a capital M. And we're going to write a capital M in this first box. Now to write an M, let's use our finger in the air first. We put a line down, take our finger away, go to the top of that line, and then line down, up, and down. Let's do it again. Line down, take your finger away, go to the top, line down, up, down. Do you want to see what that looks like on a whiteboard? Okay. So you start at the top, make a line down, and go back to the top, line down, up, down. All right, should I do that again? Line down, take the marker away, go back to the top, line down, up, and then down again. All right, so let's do that on, or I should say in this box. And you can take whatever color crayon you want, but you need to make a line down, and then go back to the top, go down, up, and then down again. All right, and I have a capital M, and I used my whole window, didn't I? And you can do that too if you want. All right, and then in the second window, we are going to put the next letter. Do you think we have 2 different letters? I don't know. What letter is this? Oh my goodness, it's the lowercase m, isn't it? It's the lowercase m. Oh my. Well, let's figure out how you write a lowercase m. Take that finger in the air, go down, just a short line. Now don't move your finger. Go back up the line, but not quite to the top, and make a hump and another hump. And you have a lowercase m. Okay, let's do that again. Line down, but go up the line, but not to the top. Hump and hump. One more time. Line down, up, and then give it 1 hump and then 2 humps. Very good. Now let me show you what that looks like on the whiteboard. Again, a little line. Okay, go back up to the top, 1 hump, and then 2. And you have a lowercase m. All right, line down, go up, and there's your hump, first hump, and then the second hump, and you have a lowercase m. All right, do you think we can do that in our second window? And again, you can use whatever color you want. All right, so I'm going to make a line. Oh, then I go back up the line, and I make 1 hump, and I have to go back up this line and go to my second hump. And I have a lowercase m. Very good. All right, now I'm going to move my paper so we can see the next window more easily. Okay, so now we're in this third window. Okay, in this third window, we are going to write our number. Oh my goodness, let's figure out what our number is this week. What number are we doing? Do you know what this is? It's 31. I know, this is so tricky. 31. When the 3 is at the front, that's 30. 31. Okay, now we have to talk about how to write the number. Well, we wrote a 3 last week because we did 30. So to do number 3, we start at the top and we make a curve, and then we come back and make another curve. And the rhyme is around and around like a bee. Bzz, that's the way to make a 3. Around and around like a bee. Bzz, that's the way to make a 3. Let's do it one more time. Around and around like a bee. That's the way to make a 3. And I didn't buzz that time, but you can. All right, let me do it on the whiteboard so you can see what that looks like. All right, I start at the top. I go around and around like a bee. Bzz, that's the way to make a 3. Let me do it again. Around and around like a bee. Bzz, that's the way to make a 3. So I need to do that first. But I'm going to put 2 numbers in here. I have to put a 3 and a 1. So make sure you have room for that. So here I go. Around and around like a bee. Bzz, that's the way to make a 3. So there's the 3. And then a 1 is so easy, isn't it? You start at the top and down you go, and that's it. All right. So straight line down, then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. So we're not even going to practice that. You can do that. All right, and now you have a 31. Who knew? Okay. All right. In the next box, we're going to do our colors. Okay. And we have all kinds of colors to review this week. So now you have to find the right colors. Okay. What color is this? Yes, it's red. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make a red line across like that in this window. All right, so that's red. What color is this? Blue. All right, can you find a blue? And then you'll make a blue line across. And let me give you a minute to find things because I need to remember you have to find things, don't you? Oh my goodness. What color should I do next? What color is this? Is that orange? Guess what? We're going to make an orange line over here. All right, I'll give you a minute to find that. All right, what's the next color? Yellow. Oh, we're going to make a yellow line here. All right, you do that too, okay? Okay, does everybody have a red, blue, orange, and yellow line? What color is next? What color is this? Is that green? All right, then we'll make a green line. So now we have red, blue, orange, yellow, green. What's next? What color is this? It's purple. Oh, you want to make a purple line. Now, if for some reason you don't have some of these colors, don't worry. You can just skip them. It's fine. All right. Ooh, what color do I have next? Pink. Ooh, let's make a pink line. So now I have red, blue, orange, yellow, green, purple, and pink. All right, what color is this? This is brown. Let's make a brown line. Did you notice that we are doing all the colors this week? We are doing all the colors. So now I have red, blue, orange, yellow, green, purple, pink, brown. What color do you think I'll have next? Can you tell? It's black. Can you find a black crayon? And we're going to make a black line. And now we have all the colors, all the major colors that we need to work with. Red, blue, orange, yellow, green, purple, pink, brown, and black. Now I'm going to show you another color. You know, what color is this? It's white. But if you put white on white paper, can you see it? No, it's pretty hard to see it. So we're not going to use a white crayon. We already have white, don't we? We have more white than we have all the other colors. So we've covered the white that way. All right, so we have our capital M, lowercase m, our 31, and our colors. Now I just want to show you what our shapes are this week. First of all, we have star, and then we have heart. And do you know why? Because we're talking about moms. That's why we have the letter M. We're talking about moms, and moms love us, and we love them, and they're stars in our life, aren't they? I know. All right, now you have a second piece of paper. I don't. I'm going to save paper by not using another piece. But now you have a second piece of paper. We're not going to draw any windows here. Instead, what I would like you to do is draw a picture of something you like to do with your mom, or draw a picture of something your mom does for you. Because this week it's all about moms. Do you know why? Because this coming Sunday is Mother's Day. Don't forget that it's Mother's Day. Okay, I'm going to sign off. You draw your picture, and then you send both of these sheets back to school, and you can take them on Wednesday or on Friday, okay? All right, thanks, boys and girls. I hope that helps. Bye-bye.